All right, tech enthusiasts, gather round. Have you ever heard about a tech company that's hitting both the high notes and the right chords in the stock market? Well, today's headline stealer is Arista Networks, and it's really giving us something to talk about. First things first, Arista Networks has caught the spotlight for becoming a strong momentum stock that investors are eyeing eagerly. The company has been making waves with its impressive performance, earning the momentum style score of B, courtesy of the gurus over at Zacks. Now, if you're scratching your head wondering what the Zacks momentum style score is, think of it as the report card that reflects how chic and promising a stock's recent price activity is. The magic recipe for Arista Networks has been its solid gains over time. Over the last week, its shares have climbed a nifty 4.91%, quite the star compared to its wider industry. But hold your applause. Cranking it up a few notches, Arista has soared 21.75% over the past quarter and an astonishing 82.08% over the entire year. Talk about raising the roof compared to the tame S&P 500 in the same time frame. Investors would tell you to keep your eye on trading volume like a hawk, as it speaks volumes about market interest. Arista is currently churning through an impressive 4.37 million shares on average over the last 20 days. Analysts drool over such metrics because when a rising stock is coupled with hefty trading volume, it flashes a big green go signal on Wall Street. But what's really giving Arista Networks the golden pass? It's also the exciting anticipation of earnings. Recently, estimates were moved to higher ground, indicating rosier expectations. Once stuck at $2.17, the earnings estimate danced up to $2.20 in the last 60 days, highlighting an upward trend that tweaks investors' nose for profits. Now let's switch the track to the juicy tidbit. Arista hit a 52-week high at $120.98, sparking discussions on whether its marathon of gains can keep on rolling. What makes this a hot topic isn't just the soaring stock price. It's the fact Arista hasn't missed a single earnings estimate over the last 4 quarters. With expectations of continued growth on earnings and revenue, investors can't help but wonder if the encore performance will be as grand next year. Let's sprinkle some caution, though. Value metrics like the scary number, that's 49.5 times its current fiscal year EPS, suggests it might be riding a wave that's a bit too high. But again, with a Zacks rank of 2, Arista Networks is ticking all the right boxes for gaining more ground. So in tech lingo terms, keep your RSS feeds open and notifications speedy. Arista Networks is one stock that still shines with promise, riding high yet with its ear to the ground. Keep those virtual eyes peeled, folks. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.